Good day everyone. For today, I'm going to discuss to you how computer application help the agriculture and engineering sector. The computer has changed the society today as much as the Industrial Revolution changed society in the 18th and 19th century. Computer application have had a transformative impact on the agriculture sector, improving productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. Here are the key concepts where technology has helped in agriculture. Number one, precision agriculture. Number two, farm management software. Number three, supply and market access. Number three, Internet of Things in smart farming. Number five, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Number six, climate and environmental monitoring. Number seven, livestock management. Number eight, education and extension service. Agriculture sector. The agriculture sector is a critical part of a global economy, responsible for producing food, fiber, and other resources essential to human life. It encompasses the cultivation of crops, raising of livestock, forestry, and fisheries. Precision agriculture. Precision agriculture global positioning system allows farmers to map their fields, monitor equipment, and track crop condition with high precision. It helps optimize planting, fertilizing, and harvesting processes. Next, farm management. Data analytics software applications allow farmers to collect and analyze data from various sources, such as soil condition, weather forecasts, and crop yields, that enable informed decision making to optimize farm operators. Next. Supply and market access. E-commerce and mobile applications, farmers can access broader market through e-commerce platform, selling their products directly to consumer or businesses. Mobile application can help connect farmers with supplies, buyers, and other market actors. Next. Internet of Things in smart farming. Sensor for monitoring. Sensors placed in fields. The equipment monitor everything from soil moisture levels to health of the livestock. This sensor provides real-time data helping farmers respond quickly to changing conditions. Next. Artificial and machine learner. Robotics and automation, AI and robotics automate tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting, making farming for efficient and reducing the need for manual labor. Next. Climate environmental monitoring, weather forecasting tools. Advanced meteorological application help farmers make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and harvesting based on real-time and productive weather idea. Next. Livestock management. Automated feeding system. Computer controlled feeding system ensure livestock receiving precise amounts of feed based on their needs, reducing and improving health. Education and extension service. Virtual training and knowledge sharing. Farmers have access to online training, webinars, and platforms that provide information about new techniques, pest control, and crop management strategies. In conclusion, computer applications have enhanced every aspect of agriculture, from planting and harvesting to supply chain management, enabling farmers to operate more efficiently, sustainable, and profitability. Next, how computer application help the engineering sector. The engineering sector is a broad and vital part of global economy, encompassing various disciplines that focus on designing, building, and maintaining infrastructure, technology, and system essential for modern life. Here are the key concepts where technology has helped in the engineering sector. Number one, computer-aided design. Number 2, computer-aided manufacturing. Number 3, building information modeling. Number 4, automation and robotics. Number 5, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Number 6, project management and collaboration tools. Number 7, geographic information system. Number 8, structural analysis and design software. Number 9, cloud computing. Number 10, additive manufacturing. Computer-aided design, prototyping and simulation. Engineers can simulate the performance of design under different conditions, reducing the need of physical prototypes and saving time, cost in product development. Computer-aided manufacturing. Precision manufacturing CAM software automates the manufacturing process by guiding machines such as CNC, computer numerical control. Machines to produce components with high precision, it reduces human error and ensures consistent quality in production. Building information. Life cycle management BIM is not just for design but also not on the management of the entire life cycle of a building or infrastructure project from planning and construction to operation and maintenance. Automation and robotics. Automation in manufacturing. Industrial robots are programmed using software to perform repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, and assembling components. With high precision and speed, this improves efficiency and reduces labor costs and manufacturing processes. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Optimi- Optimization of design. AI driving generative design tools use machine learnings to analyze multiple design variables and constraints, automatically generating the best possible design for a given problem. Project management and collaboration tool. Task automation. Project management software helps engineers track progress, allocate resources, and manage budgets efficiently, reducing likelihood and delays and cost overruns. Geographic Information System, Site Analysis and Planning, GIS, applications allow civil engineers to analyze spatial data for site selection, urban planning, and environmental impact assessment. It is used in infrastructure development, including transportation, utilities, and public works projects. Structural analysis and design. Earthquake resist design. Advanced software allows engineers to simulate the impact of earthquakes and other natural forces on buildings, improving this resiliency and safety. Cloud computing, data storage and sharing. Cloud computing allows engineer teams to store large amount of data and collaboration of design from different locations. Engineers can access high performance computing resources for complex simulations and analysis. Additive manufacturing, costume manufacturing. Additive manufacturing software allows for the creation of highly customized components that will be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional methods. And that's all. Thank you.